Hello wrestling fans, welcome to Submit Wrestling Cards, and in this video we're going to open up a box of WWE Panini Debut Edition Wrestling Cards. So there's 24 packs in this box, 5 in each pack. You get red parallels, green parallels and a gold parallel. Cost me a whopping 36 quid online and it was posted out within days. So anyway, let's get opening, let's see what's inside, and I'll give you my thoughts and opinion as we go along. Firstly, it's actually nice to get wrestling cards in the UK again. So you may have seen Jack's video. I'm just going to give you my experience now, looking at the packets. Paper-like, I will say. Nothing really chased as such, but let's open the first pack and see which ones we get. And yeah, seeing as I love the old school wrestling, I'm going to struggle with some of these names and wrestlers, but you can see on your screen, and I'll just point out some legends. Like we got Shawn Michaels and a nice red parallel of Macho Man Randy Savage. And at the end, a white card of Panini Champions Damian Priest. Second packet then, straight off, you could see there, Sheamus. His match at Clash at the Castle was memorable for me, and yeah, absolute legend. Looking through, that's a nice one there of Rowdy Piper and Mandy Rose. Onto the actual cards, they don't really feel heavy as such, it's just thin paper, and so far I'm not a massive fan, I'll be honest with you. But scratching through, Lacey Evans. Austin Theory, is he the next big star? I'll keep that one to one side. Stone Cold, obviously. We all need a bit of Stone Cold in our life. And Roman Reigns to match. I will say I much prefer the Select or the Prism cards from Panini. I do think this is a cheap shot from them for what they've done. There's no real quality in this lot, and it's paper mess if you ask me. Okay, we got a cool one of The Rock, and I believe that one to be like a green parallel, but when you think you're getting rare cards with Prism, they're either signed or they're a relic, something like that, and this is just, no, not for me. And yeah, already getting duplicates, which is not cool. And wrestlers I do not really want to pick up. So Mick Foley, I'll have that one. Well, Big E. But no, there's no bite to it. There's nothing that's like driving me to buy another packet. I think Panini need to up the game in the UK. I think it's a cheap way out. But no, we deserve better. And these cards, 36 quid for a load of rubbish in my eyes. Not a big fan of the border around it and the whole chase deal of which is just like a red corner. No, this is not good at all. But I'm going to soldier on, see what's inside. And who knows, they might have just thrown in by accident a Hogan 1982 rookie, which I very much doubt. So some legends. I'll give them that. Edge, Rikishi. Will they look nice signed up? Yes. But would I pay 50 quid for an autograph on that card? No. So that's that one sorted really. Next packet. And I have no idea who Montez Ford is, I'm afraid. Same with this girl. Vader, Big Van Vader. But again, reused images, isn't it? So Miku Satomura. Oh, nice one of Bret Hart. That's about the pick of the bunch for me. And obviously, being a Hitman fan, that will be staying in the collection. So I suppose not all bad, but you know my stance by now. More swapsies, more to the waste pile. And to be honest with you, Terry Funk is not a bad card to get. Another one of The Rock. So pretty much a mixed bag on that one. So next lot, I'll be picking out some retro wrestling packets. I'm going to find some on eBay. I'll make a video on the channel for you. No problem in that. We'll have some fun with that. This one is a cool Hulk Hogan, going way back to his early 80s days. And Hulk Hogan's always worth keeping. So next one, yeah, retro wrestling packet. You reckon we go early 90s, late 90s, late 80s even, or even WWE. So should be fun tracking it down and getting a video out there for you all to see. Nice one again of Bret Hart. He's really towing the line in this one. And John Cena. Why am I surprised to see John Cena? Yeah, he's done well for himself, to be fair to the guy. And he does a lot for fans, so you know, I'm warming to John Cena. I was never his biggest fan, but now I appreciate his work and what he's done for the wrestling world. Some of these Liv Morgan cards are cool as well. Quite a wrestling talent she is. Booker T and The Undertaker. So definitely be keeping that one. Some more wrestlers I'm not so familiar with, but what I'm looking out for is a legend. So Bruno Sammartino, and that's a gold one of JBL. Follow that, Randy Orton. By the way, his rookie card is super cheap right now. Cannot believe it's got that low and people aren't even snooping on it. Some nice action shots in this one. Some I've already got. Nice one there of Beth Phoenix, followed by The Godfather. I think I'm meeting him in December. Then at the back there, Stone Cold Steve Austin. Now that's a wrestler I would love to meet, Stone Cold. Make it happen, UK. Suppose a lot of the modern wrestling fans will love these cards. A lot of the young kids will pick them up and do what they want with them. Jerry Lawler, a legend, and Brock Lesnar. Not a bad packet. Otis, Happy Corbin, Ilya Dragunov, sorry if I said that one wrong, JBL, and Triple H again. Another swapsy of Liv Morgan. What other swapsies have I got now? Cedric Alexander, Lex Luger. Oh, I needed Lex. There's a red parallel of AJ Styles. Oh, and another swapsy of Edge. So 24 packets. I must have about 50 swaps already. And definitely I will not be buying this junk again. If you're collecting this, let me know. I could try and send some to you. Because, like, nah, I'm not keeping this. Waste of space. I'll keep one or two, obviously, like that Hulk Hogan. Well, Bret Hart. But do I need two? Don't think so. Next packet, we have got how many swapsies in this one? I'm going for 4. Well, there's 1. There's 2. Oh, I need Dusty Rhodes. That's not a bad one. I'll take that. And you've got the Great Khali. I don't really want to be holding on to that now, do I? Oh, and another swapsy of The Rock. Quite laughable, really, from Panini, this lot. Not a happy bunny. See, I'm thinking like I could have bought some old school cards of this. 30 quid and really enjoyed myself with it, but this is like, no. Riddle, Mansoor, Madcap Moss, Triple H with his nipples, looks disgusting. And another one of Hulk Hogan. That pack was different, I suppose, so let you off on that one occasion. Yeah, next card, Nikki Ash, Roderick Strong, Marisi X-Pac, John Cena. Well, 15 of them John Cena cards now, I think. I need to invest in like a little log burner. Somewhere for these to go. Superman Punch, Roman Reigns. Not a bad one. Damian Priest, Joe Gacy, Trish Stratus, and another one of The Undertaker. How many have we got to go? A couple more? Come on, we could do this. Oh, another one of Otis. Happy Corbin. Oh, Teddy DiBiase, that's not a bad one. Jinder Mahal. And Randy Orton. Never seen these cards before. So anyway, we're on the last packet anyway. It's been quite funny going through thinking, got. And I've only bought 24 packets. So here we got here. Dominic Mysterio. King Woods. Tiffany Stratton. RVD. Oh, I love RVD. And another one of Stone Cold. So that's a pack. Not for me. Won't be buying any more. Be sticking to Prism or Select. So don't forget to subscribe to Summit Wrestling Cards. See you all again. Bye for now.